Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to send product demo links to Typeform leads and add responses into your Google Sheet. That will done with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect, where we can connect our Typeform to the Gmail and the Google Sheet, as whenever any new form submission can be done through your Typeform, then automatically one product demo link mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account and also store their leads into your Google Sheet. So now, to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So before starting the video of doing an automation where we can connect our Typeform to the Gmail and the Google Sheet, that whenever any new form submission can be done through your Typeform, then automatically one product demo link will be sent to your user's Gmail account and also store their leads into your Google Sheet. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this automation will work and how this automation is used in real time. For that, I am going to fill this Typeform that I already created before. Here you can see it will ask me to enter the details. Here I am entering my details as first name as test, last name as user, one test contact number, email address as patm@pabblytudes.com, company name as Pabbly. After that, I am going to click on the submit button. You can see my form is submitted successfully. Now I am going to show you my Gmail account. Here I am refreshing this. See, instantly I have received one mail, that is your product demo link is ready, which includes all the details and my name that I have given as test user while filling the form, also providing me one test product demo link. Now I am going to show you my Google Sheet that all the leads of my users will be added or not. Here you can see a new row is added which includes the details that first name I give as test, last name as user, one test number and the email address and also the company name. So if you want to do this type of automation that whenever any new form submission can be done through your Typeform, then automatically one mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account instantly and also store their leads into your Google Sheet, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an online all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly Community. So this is right over here is Pabbly Community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here and the people who are facing similar problem just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users as we are doing an automation and that will done with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I am going in this Pabbly Connect box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place, where you can see your task allotted, your task consume, your task remaining and the free task consume. Also in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to write the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. Now as we are creating a new workflow, so I am going to click on this plus create workflow button. You can see it will ask you to select the workflow builder while providing you two, that is new beta and the classic version. This is modern, faster and flexible and another one is for stable and familiar approach. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I am selecting this. Here you can see it will provide me one create workflow box, also provide me one field by the name of workflow name. So here I am entering my workflow name as send automated product demo links for Typeform leads and log responses in Google Sheet. Now I am going to select the folder as Pabbly Connect that I already created before. After that, I am going to click on this create button. Here you can see our workflow is created successfully. Now this right over here is the most important step of creating any automation, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happen. Now for starting the creation of your automation, at first you have to select your trigger application. For that you have to click on this plus option where you have to search your your trigger application. Here I am going to choose my trigger application as Typeform, so I am searching it. Here I select it. After that you have to select the app event. Here I am going to select the app event as new entry. After that I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. Here I am going to do a new connection, so I am clicking on this add new connection. After that I am going to click on this connect with Typeform. Here you can see it will ask me to give the permission. For that I am going to click on this accept. See, my Typeform is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Here I am going to select my form as product demo request. I already created this form before. Now I am going to show you this form. See, this is the form that I already created before by the name of product demo request. Here I am going to open this form. See, I also mentioned the field in this form, that is the first name, last name, phone number, email and the company. Here I added some fields. You can add many fields here. Now for a new connection to your Typeform to the Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this connect button, where you have to click on this webhooks option and add a webhook from here. Here you can see it will ask you for the webhook and URL that you can get while doing the new connection of your Typeform to the Pabbly Connect. After that you have to simply click on the save webhook button. Now I am going to publish this form. Here I am going to copy this form link. Now I want to get a new response. For that I am going to simply click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, I am going to again fill my Typeform. Here I am again entering the test details. After that I am going to click on the submit button. Now we will check our flow. See, we have received the response 1 second ago. That means our Typeform is successfully connected to our Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. After that you have to also enable this toggle, that is the simple response. When this toggle is on, that you can receive the response in the simple or the advanced format from your users. Now the setup of our trigger application is done. After that the actual application I select as Gmail, as I want to send the mail to my user's Gmail account. For that I'm clicking on this plus option. Here I'm searching the app as Gmail. Here I select it. Next you have to select the app event that I select as send email. After that I'm going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will again provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you won't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. As I already have an existing connection, so I am simply selecting this. After that I'm going to click on the save button. Here you can see connection is saved successfully. Now in the sender name field I am going to enter the sender name, that is Bright Shop PVT Ltd. After that I selected the sender email address. After that in this recipient email address I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have got from my previous step, that is the Typeform. For that I am clicking on it. Here you can see it will provide me one field of Typeform new entry. Here I am searching the email address. Here I select it. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation, that it makes data dynamic, as different users have different data. So for capturing their data dynamically, mapping is used. After that in the next, these are not required fields, so I am leaving this blank and directly entering the email subject. In this email subject field, that is your product demo link is ready. After that you have to write the email content in this email content field. Here I write this content in the HTML format. Here I want to do the mapping of my username after this hi. For that I am clicking on it and searching my username, that is test and the user. First name is test and last name is user. Here I select. After that in the next you have to select the email content type. As I write this content in the HTML format, so I am selecting the HTML content here. You can also create your HTML content by clicking on this link below. After that in this labels option I am going to select as inbox. You can also enable this toggle. It will automatically map the value from your previous step. After that if you want to add any file with your mail, then you can write the name of the file here and also attach the URL in this field. After that now I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see we have got the positive response. Now we will check our Gmail account. Here I am refreshing this. See, we have received the mail 0 minutes ago. That means our automation is working correctly. And it will also include the name of my user, that is test user, and all the details that I have written in the email content. Now we will get back to our flow. Here in the next step, I'm going to select my application as Google Sheet, as I want to store my users' leads into my Google Sheet. For that, I'm again clicking on this plus option where I'm going to select the app as Google Sheet. After that, the app event I select as add new row. flow. After that, I'm going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. Here I'm going to do a new connection. For that I'm selecting this. After that I'm going to sign in with Google. Here it will ask me for my permission. For that I'm clicking on this continue button. See, my Google Sheet is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect, where I'm going to select my spreadsheet as product demo request details, as I already created this spreadsheet before. Now I'm going to show you this spreadsheet. This is the sheet where I have mentioned the column by the name of first name, last name, phone number, email and the company name. Now we will get back to our flow. Here you can see it will automatically extract the field that I have mentioned into my Google Sheet. Now I'm going to do the mapping of the response that I have received previously, that is the first name as test, last name as user, after that the phone number of my user, then the email address, then the company name. Now I am going to click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see we have got the positive response. Now we will check our sheet. See, automatically a new row is added into our Google Sheet, which includes the data that we have mapped. Now the connection of our Google Sheet is also done. Now our workflow is done. With the help of this workflow, whenever any new form submission can be done through your type form, then automatically all their leads will be added into your Google Sheet and also send one mail to your user's email account instantly without you doing any manual efforts. You can also create this workflow for your multiple users. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. You can also share this workflow with your friends. For sharing this workflow, you have to click on the three dots and click on the share option. Here it will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. And the best part is this automation is done without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.